Hi, my name is Jess and I'm the Centre Director here at Good Start Payneham. I've been the Centre Director for 7 years but worked here for 19. Come with me, I'd love to show you around and give you a glimpse of what makes our centre so special. Each of our educators are passionate about creating a warm, nurturing environment where your child can thrive. Let's meet some of them.
Hi, I'm Vivian. I'm the teacher in the preschool. I'm looking forward to meeting you.
Hi, I'm Hannah. I've worked with Good Start for 18 years and I love watching the children's smiles every day.
Hi, I'm Marissa, the preschool teacher, and I've been working here at Good Start for 30 years. We have so much fun learning and exploring together every day.
Inside, you'll find purposeful learning spaces designed to spark curiosity and imagination. We focus on play-based learning tailored to your child's age and interests. Our outdoor spaces are a favourite. With plenty of natural shade and lots of room to explore, it's the perfect environment for children to connect with nature and develop their physical skills. We provide healthy meals prepared fresh daily by our centre cook Dave. Our menu celebrates cultural diversity and keeps little tummies full and happy. We value building strong relationships with our families. Communication is key and we keep you updated throughout the day via our app and during pickup. We'd love to welcome you and your child to Good Start Payneham. Why not come and see it for yourself? Book a tour today and let us show you how we can support your child's early learning journey.